Hello everybody, my name is Russ.
And I'm Kerry.
And we are the roads we roam.
This week we review Coleman Landing Campground in Lake Wales, Florida.
Along these roads we roam, we find adventure through traveling, camping, boondocking, and exploring. Coleman Landing Campground at Shady Oaks Recreation Area, 1450 Shady Oaks Drive, Lake Wales, Florida.
Coleman Landing is definitely a hidden gem in Central Florida.
There's all these trees with the Spanish moss hanging off of them. Pretty quiet, not a lot going on. Very nice. There's boat docks, so there's a lot of people out there fishing. You're right on Lake Kissimmee. Just a gorgeous campground.
When we first got here, I think after the first hour after we had set up, I remember opening the window to Russ. I said, this is what I was signing up for this for. This is the feeling that I wanted when we decided to go full-time RV living.
The rates are $20 per night. Dump station is $10 per dump. Maximum length of stay is 28 days. Most of the sites we saw were back-in. Unknown if there were any pull-through sites. Pets are allowed, but they must be on leashes. There is big rig access. Tent camping is allowed, and it is very kid-friendly. There are partial hookups. Electric supplied is 30 amp and 120. There are no sewer hookups, but there is a dump site on location, and there is water. There is no Wi-Fi, but Verizon gets full bars. AT&T had 2 bars and was kinda spotty. There's one central restroom where the men and women's showers are located. Both the men's and women's restrooms has 2 showers. There is no laundry on site. There is no camp store on site, and there's no pet area. Propane is not available. There is no pools and no playground. However, there are walking trails and abundant fishing available on Lake Kissimmee. The nearest gas station is approximately 9 miles away. We give Coleman Landing a great big green light.
There it is.
Yeah, definitely. All right, guys, that's it. If you have any questions that we didn't cover, because I'm sure there are things that we didn't think of, please put them down below and we'll make sure to reply to them.
All right, that's all for now. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.